Hey, what's up guys? It's time to do the battery life drain test of iPhone 10 with different batteries health in 2022. So the most requested battery life drain test of the session is finally here after the iOS 15.5. Now you can just ignore the black screen on the metal because we will be focusing on the battery timing, not the screen. Okay, so we have got the iPhone 10 with 100% health, on which I have replaced the battery. On the middle one we have 81% health, and on the third we have 77% battery health. All of them are running on iOS 15.5. The brightness is set to 90% and all of them are 100% charged. Now I'll be using Instagram for 1 hour, and after that TikTok for 2 hours, PUBG for 1 hour, and then YouTube for 1 hour. So sit tight, enjoy the music, and let's find out the average battery backup of iPhone 10 in 2022. Welcome back. So it was the battery life drain test of iPhone 10 in 2022 after the iOS 15.5 with 100%, 81% and 77% battery health. So this video shows us if you replaced the battery of iPhone 10, then you will get round about 5 hours backup on heavy usage, and if the iPhone 10 has genuine battery with around 80% health, then you will get 3.5 hours or maybe 4 hours battery backup on average, which I will not recommend for gamers, and it's also a bit risky for social media users because sometimes you would need to charge your phone at evening again, which is irritating for some people. So if you think 4 hours battery backup is enough, then you should buy it, but if it's not, then you should go for some Android phone in this price range or maybe updated iPhone. Make sure to like this video and do subscribe my channel. I will really appreciate that. Thanks for watching my videos and I will see you in the next one.